Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker and there is a problem in this speaker. So let me show you without wasting any time. So let me turn on the speaker. So it will pair now. So let me play the song in low volume. You can see disturbance. Volume is 30%. Once I raise to 40%, the speaker is turned off with this noise. So this is because the battery of the speaker has gone bad. It has been degraded over time. So this speaker was used for 4 years. So the battery has gone down. So in this video, I am going to show you how to replace the battery of this JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. So this is the original JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker's battery. So I am going to use this battery and replace it. So if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So alright, without wasting any time, let's tear this down. So now we have to take out the mesh here. So we have to pry it from this place. You can see just lifting like this, clips will get unlocked like this, and similarly this side like this. So speaker grill is opened now. Just we have to take it out like this. So this is the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. Now we have to take out this part here, this red part, this flap. So let me take that out. It is simply clipped here. So we have to slowly pull like this and similarly like this. Then there will be lock here. So we have to slowly, carefully we have to pull. If we pull simply, then chances of breaking of this plastic is there. So we have to slowly use some tool here to lift the lock like this. You can see like this. So this has been oxidized already, so nothing can be done for that. So I have removed this part. So there will be glue here, so because of that it might be holding it tightly. You have to pry it carefully. So that's it. The housing outer part has been removed. Now we have to remove the base radiator here to replace the battery. This side battery will be there because this side charging port is there. So alright, now we have to take out this base radiator. Again it is clipped here. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 clips are there. So simply we have to pry like this. It will come out. So you can see this side it has come out. Again we have to do like this. So you can see without damaging, I have taken out the base radiator here. So let me keep this separately. So now you can see this is the battery section. So we have to remove this slowly. You can see here battery is located. So let me remove this carefully. I hope you can see. So that's it. So simply we have to take out the socket and pull the battery here. So to take out the socket, we have to slide out this motherboard from this side. So for that we have to take out this flux cable. So let me take out the flux cable here. Slowly by lifting like this. This will come out easily, simply by pulling like this. So flux cable has come out. So alright, as I have shown you, flux cable has been removed here. Now we have to take out the speaker screws here, so that if there is any controls or connectors that we have to take off before sliding out the motherboard. So let me take out the 4 screw of this speaker driver. There are many series in JBL Flip 5. In this series the socket is at the center, and in some other Flip 5 the socket will be at this point itself. For that we have to slowly pull the motherboard and we can take out the cable, but in this case the connector is inside. So alright, so just we have to slowly lift this speaker. So this is the internal look here. So you can see there is a flux cable here connected. So we have to carefully push this. If there should be nothing blocking this motherboard, then we can slide out. So let me take off this charging socket here, so that when we push the motherboard the socket will be stretched. So we should not give any force to that. So now slowly I am going to push this motherboard. You can see motherboard is coming like this. There is no disturbance, only the antenna is here. So Bluetooth antenna will broke. So in this case, after pushing little bit, I am going to take out this antenna here carefully like this. Now nothing is blocking the motherboard. simply we have to push the motherboard here now. So you can see the socket has come out. So now we can access the socket easily simply by unlocking it. A little bit it should come, yeah. So you can see that's it. So this is the battery of JBL Flip 5. This is original battery of JBL Flip 5, and in this series the design is like this, and there is one more series in this Flip 5 battery will look like this. So this is also original JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speakers battery. This is not copy battery or anything. This is 100% JBL's battery. So everything you can see, length, cable length, everything will be same. So just the design is different, that's it. Because the series of this JBL Flip 5 is different, and this speakers Flip 5 series is different. So rest battery is same. So alright, without wasting any time, let me install the battery. So after the board is slide here, further we can slowly pull like this so that we can access the control here. Sorry, we can access the socket here. So now we have to install the battery. Make sure the flux cables, this should not come in between. There will be two flux cables here, right? So we have to install this battery in the position little bit, then we can put the socket to its place. We have to pull like little bit here. You can see now easily I can install the socket here. So lock, it has been locked. Now it's time to slowly push the battery and motherboard inside, and before that, like this, we have to hold and we have to connect this Bluetooth antenna here. So let me connect it. That's it, antenna has been locked. Now it's time to push the motherboard and battery inside. Make sure there should be two flux cable here, it should not go inside. So let me see, that's it, both flux cables are there. So now I'm pushing the battery here. So it has went inside. So make sure the antenna is connected. Now we have to connect the flux cable here. Just we have to keep it in the position and we have to close the lock. Let me keep this. So now you can see I have placed the flux cable. Now it's time to simply lock it. That's it. Similarly I have to do this to this socket here. So let me do that. So now I have placed the socket and just locking it. That's it. Now it's time to simply put this sticker back to its place and push the wires inside. Now finally we have to connect this charging socket here. Let me show you clearly. So finally we have to connect this charging socket here. So that's it, it has gone to its place. Now it's time to put the speaker in its place. So that's it, we have to install 4 screws here. So let me install that. So that's it. So everything has been installed. So only base, radiator and covers I have to install. Before that, let me turn on and see whether it turns on or not. This one. Yeah, speaker is connected. You can see the battery is completely full. Let me see after installing all the covers. So let me show you whether this is getting turned off if we raise the volume or not. So let me install the covers. So this is the base radiator. Now it's time to install this. Just we have to press it, that's it, it will get locked. Position it properly before clipping it. So you can see the clip sound like this. That's it, and that's it. So this has been seated, all 4 clips has been seated. So base radiator is perfect. Sound will be perfect if we turn on because everything is closed. Yes, you can see all perfect. So now it's time to have a demo, then I will install the covers here. So let me play the volume, so let me play the song here. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
So the volume is 100%, there is no disturbance. Battery indicator shows battery is full, so speaker is not giving any disturbance. So the speaker is fixed in this case. So the problem was battery, so I have taken out the old battery and installed the new battery. This is the old battery. So if you want me to replace the battery, I am located here in Bangalore, so please do message on this above WhatsApp number, and you can send it to me here in Bangalore to my address. I can fix it and I will send it back to you. So if you are not from Bangalore and outsider, then you can courier it to me to my address. I will fix it and I will ship it back to your address. And if you want batteries as well, if stock is there, then definitely please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I will inform you the availability of the battery of this JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. Even I have batteries for JBL Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker, original batteries. Alright, so let me install these covers. So now you can see I have placed it properly. Just we have to press it so that the locks will be locked here like this. That's it. And there will be further one more lock here like this, and here. That's it. Nothing much to worry. Simply we have to install this cover. So let me install that. So now I have positioned the cover. Just it's time to press it and lock it like this. That's it. Everything is fine. Let's test it again after installing the battery. So let me play a song and have a demo with full volume. So let me show you here in this.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So that's it. The speaker is working perfectly without any problem. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.